Hello and welcome to this short introduction to Duncan Cartlidge Online, a web-based resource for students as well as construction professionals. For a modest subscription, you will have access to over 50 video tutorials on a range of construction-related topics. And in addition, there are self-assessment exercises and a question and answer service. Each video tutorial has well-defined learning outcomes, as illustrated on this page. In the measurement videos, for example, solutions are presented in conventional format, as shown here, as well as spreadsheet applications. The Contract Administration video library includes detailed information on a variety of everyday topics, including the preparation of final accounts. Self-assessment questions allow you to monitor and check your progress. Here are some of the videos that are currently available, with new topics being added on a weekly basis.